guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs. Today guys, I'll be doing some quick and easy brown stew Jamaican chicken. It's gonna be easy and delicious guys, no stress brown stew chicken. So guys, today I have my chicken all prepared, nicely washed with some lemon and vinegar, adding some cayenne pepper. This is not chicken season guys, I just mixed onion powder and garlic powder in this. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. I have my meat seasoning here. And I'm using 5 thigh and leg guys, okay? Chicken seasoning. So you can add about, just add like half tablespoon of the hot cayenne pepper if you don't like pepper, because I'm going to use a hot pepper as well. So you want to add just like half tablespoon of the cayenne, half tablespoon of the Cool Runnings meat seasoning, or any meat seasoning you have, half tablespoon of the chicken seasoning. I'm just gonna add like 1 teaspoon of black pepper and about 1 teaspoon of my all-purpose Maggi season, half tablespoon of paprika, some Italian herb, and a tablespoon of browning guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna combine everything together guys. So guys, you want to have your pot on the stove with about 4 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. You can use olive oil or any other cooking oil that you have. You can use vegetable oil, canola, or coconut oil. So I want to rub this in nicely guys. So this is looking awesome. So let's wash our hands. Lovely. So guys, now we have our oil on the stove. So guys, we're just going to add our pepper and our garlic, and then we're going to add our chicken. So guys, I just want to cover this down now and allow it to spring its own water before you do anything else. So we're just going to allow this to spring some water for like 3 minutes, and then we're going to come back, give it a spin, and add some water and the rest of seasoning, okay? Okay guys, so let's check up on our pot. Yes, looking lovely. So you just want to stir this up guys, okay? See how lovely these look already guys? Yes. Awesome. So now guys, we are going to add our water. I'm just adding some hot water guys. So this is about, so I'm using 4 cups of hot water. Looking lovely. Okay, so what you're gonna do now guys, you're gonna add some ketchup. So add some ketchup, guys. And you want to add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. So this is brown sugar, about a tablespoon. Spin this up. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon more of browning. It all depends on the color that you love to have your brown stew chicken, guys. So you add your browning accordingly. Okay? Alright. Looking lovely so far. Okay? So now, guys, we're going to cover this down and we're going to prepare our scallion and on our other seasonings. Okay? Okay, guys, so let's check up on our pot. Looking amazing, looking lovely. Yes. Okay, I like how it's coming on, guys. So now, guys, what we're gonna do, you know, we have to always top up our pot. Okay, so in here I have half tablespoon of garlic, salt and onion powder mix. I have half tablespoon of chicken seasoning and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Here I have a piece of crushed ginger, so I'm going to add the crushed ginger and all the season mix. I also have some ground pimento seeds, so I'm just going to add those. And let's give this a stir. Looking lovely. So we're going to add a piece of thyme. And guys, we have some green onions and some other seasoning that we're going to add later on, but not right now, okay? So we're just going to allow this to come together. We're just going to cover this down again, guys. Then we're going to come back in about 5 minutes and see how we're doing, okay? Okay, guys, let's check up again. Okay, everything is looking lovely. I like how the chicken is coming on. Look at that, guys. It's coming on well, right? Okay. Still gonna allow this to reduce a little bit more before we put our other seasoning. Okay. Okay, guys, it is time to add our seasoning. It is looking absolutely amazing. Look at that, guys. So now we're going to add our scallion. So I've gone ahead and I prepared. So here I have some sweet pepper. So I have yellow, orange and green. I have some green onions and some white onions. So I'm just gonna add this to the pot right now, guys, and give it a little bit of spin, and then we're just gonna cover this down again for the next 5 minutes. And then we're gonna come back, check up, taste our pot, see if we need any salt or anything else, and we should be good, guys. Yes, if you have not thumbs up this video yet, guys, hit the thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, guys, it is that time. It is looking absolutely amazing, guys. So let's plate this up, guys. Wow, look at that. Okay, guys, I'm excited. Yes, so let's plate this up, guys. Okay, look how lovely this stew chicken is looking. This brown stew chicken is looking amazing. And guys, it's all up to you how you like your food. Okay, if you need this a little bit darker, you can add more browning or some more brown sugar, but you don't want to add too much browning because it can make your meat bitter, and you don't want to have a bitter pot, right, guys? So it's best if you keep the browning at a generous amount, use a generous amount of browning. But I like the color, I love the color. I love how this brown stew chicken came out. It is looking absolutely amazing. I'm happy with it. You need to try out this recipe, guys, and let me know what you think after you try it. Let me know if you will be trying it. Leave me a comment below. Yet I'm happy again to share another great authentic Jamaican meal with you. So there you have it, guys. Nice and lovely. And guys, if you love pepper, you can do what I do, add a pepper to this plus cayenne. But if you don't like pepper that much, you can just use either or. So it's either the cayenne or the hot pepper that I put inside of there, okay? But I am loving the results. Okay, guys, there you have it. Please leave me a comment, guys, okay? Thank you guys for stopping by. Until next time.